Okay, the SEBI board meet, and that is today. It's going to be to likely consider easier startup listing rules, tighter insider trading regulations, among other wide range of issues. My colleague Vijay Iyer joins in with more details. Vijay, apart from the things that I mentioned, what else is lined up for discussion at the board meet, and what is the expectation of the final outcome with respect to the listing rules and so on?
As we speak, maybe around 11 a.m. is when SEBI board meet would begin here in Mumbai. As you're rightly pointing out, the one issue that perhaps markets will keep a close watch is on the side pocketing, which would be allowed for fund houses. Now, this is an issue perhaps would be for the first time being considered, say, in the background of Ireland affairs and NBFC crisis, where mutual funds really took a hit. So perhaps a side pocketing as a concept wherein the affected portfolio can't be carved out from the existing schemes, thereby ensuring that largely the other investors get insulated from the happenings at one issue. For example, what happened at Ireland affairs, where some mutual fund had some exposures. That is something which perhaps will get a go-ahead, and this would be indeed something that the mutual fund industry has been pushing. AMFI has taken up this very aggressively with SEBI. So indeed, mutual fund industry and markets at large will be looking at that. If that decision comes, it would be really a good concept of side pocketing introduced for the first time in the Indian equity market for the mutual fund industry. And of course, as you're rightly pointing out, startup listing. The ecosystem already has been created almost close to 1.5 couple of years back, but it's not taken up for various reasons. So maybe some more flexibility will be given for startups so that they can start tapping the capital markets. And of course, the one thing that we have to keep a close watch is some more flexibility OFS front, thereby giving more flexibility for PSUs. We all know government will be on overdrive in the next 4 months for achieving the divestment targets, and thereby OFS on the PSU front, for more flexibility being given on the OFS front. So these are some of the important issues on the agenda, and the decision will be taken. And of course, Ajay Tyagi, SEBI chairman, will address the press around 4 p.m. post the board meeting.
Vijay, thanks a lot for that. We'll of course keep connecting with him to get an update on what exactly has been up with SEBI, as in when the board meeting as well conclude. Vijay will be right back to give us the final outcome. But